Hello everyone, welcome back to another video lesson. Today's lesson for grade 5, chapter 11, lesson 5, convert customary units of weight. Okay, the page number is 825. Guys, before starting today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Learn Math with Mr. Saad, and also press the bell icon to get notified for every new video. Okay. Let us start today's lesson. First of all, understand weight. The last lesson was about length. Length means how long something is. Now weight, which means how heavy an object is. Okay. So we have customary units of weight are ounces, pounds, and tons. Here are the things which you have to memorize. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Okay, this is the short form of writing pounds, IB, and OZ ounces, and T for ton. Okay. 1 ton is equal to 2000 pounds. Now if you are converting from pounds to ounces, from larger unit to smaller unit, what you guys will do, you guys know that you multiply. Multiply by what? By 16. Okay, from larger unit to smaller unit, multiply. And if you guys are converting from ounces to pounds, from a smaller unit to larger unit, what you guys will do, divide by what? 16. Okay, from larger to smaller times 16, from smaller to larger divide 16. Okay, from pounds to ounces, multiply by 16. From ounces to pounds, divide by 16. Similarly, the same thing here. From tons to pounds, multiply by 2000, and from pounds to tons, divide by 2000. I hope you guys understand this thing. Let us practice this example 1. Okay. Here we have the first one. A newborn lion cub weighs about 5 pounds. How many ounces does the cub weigh? Okay. So from pounds to ounces. So from pounds to ounces, you guys know we have to times by 16. So 16 times 5, that is 80. So 80 ounces. This is here, they are checking their answer. You guys know if you divide this 80 by 5, you must get this one if your answer is correct. Okay. Let us move to the next page now. Here. Now convert 56 ounces to pounds. So from ounces to pounds, so we will divide by 16. It gives us 3 whole and remainder is 8. It means 3 pounds and still 8 ounces left over. The other way of writing, you guys know that you write the whole number like this, 3 whole, and this remainder comes in the numerator. Okay, and this one always comes in the denominator. 3 whole, 8 over 16, and then you will simplify it. 8 is half of 16, so 3 and a half. We will write it 3 and a half pound. Got it, guys? Both ways are correct. You can write it 3 pounds and 8 ounces, or you can write 3 and a half pounds in this way. Okay, let us move to the next example. Let me erase this first. Okay. From pounds to ounces, 3 times 16, 48. Okay, here, 2.5 pounds to ounces. Now, in this case, guys, you have to find the ounces for the whole number separate and for the fraction separate, okay? And then you can add them at the end. Let me show you here. 2 times 16, it is 32, okay? This is for the whole number. Now this one, half. If 1 pound is 16 ounces, half pound is how much? Or you can divide it by 2. 16 divide 2, that is 8. Similarly, replace the 1 by 16. Or you can do it mentally. If 1 pound is 16 ounces. Half pound is 8 ounces. Now add both of them. 32 plus 8, 40 ounces. Similarly here, 32 ounces, 2 pounds, 32 divided by 16. Let us move to the next one. Okay, here, 96 ounces, 96 divided by 16, that is 6. 7 tons, 1 ton is 2000 pounds, 7 times 2000, 14,000. 1.5 ton, okay, the same thing here, you can do it separately. 1 ton is 2000, and half ton, if 1 ton is 2000, half ton is 1000. So 2000 plus 1000, 3000. 11,000 pounds, how many tons? 5.5 or 5.5. You have to divide it by 2000. Okay. 50 ounces, divide by 16, 3 pounds and 2 ounces, or the other way, just I told you back there, 3 pounds and 2 over 16, then you can simplify it, 3, 1 over 8. This one is pound. So both ways are correct, 3 pounds and 2 ounces. If you divide, you will get 3 whole number and 2 remainder. Okay, and you know you write the remainder in the numerator and the denominator divisor. Okay, and then you simplify it. Okay, 1 and quarter, 1 whole, 1 over 4 pound. You guys know that 1 pound is 16 ounces. Okay, and quarter pound is 4 ounces. Okay, if 1 pound is 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So 16 plus 4, 20 ounces. 7,000 pounds divided by 2,000, 3.5 quarter 3. If you divide the ton into 4 parts, okay, if 1 ton is 2,000 parts, each part will be of 500, and if you take 3 parts, it will be 1,500 pounds. Again guys, if you divide a ton into 4 parts, like 2000 divided by 4, each part is 500, and you take 3 parts because it's 3 out of 4. So 500, 500, 500, that is 1,500 pounds. Okay, here you can compare easily this one and then match your answers from this video. Let us move to the next page. Here you have to tell from least to greatest. So we know this is 3 pounds, this is 2 pounds and 9 ounces. This is if 2 pounds are 32 ounces, 32 and then 11 ounces. So this is 2 pounds 11 ounces. So of course this one is the least one, fertilizer. Then this one, 2 pounds 11 ounces, bone meal, and then 3 pounds topsoil. How many 4-ounce bags of peanuts can be filled from a 5-pound bag of peanuts? First, we have to convert this 5 pounds into ounces. Then we will divide it by 4 to make the 4-ounce bags. So 5 times 16, that is 80. And then 80 divided by 4, 20 bags. Alfonso mails a package that weighs 9 pounds, 9 times 16, 144 ounces. Okay, here. One puppy weighs 12 ounces, another puppy weighs 5 out of 8 pounds. So 5 out of 8, 5 over 8 pounds, that is equal to 12 ounces. Got it? So how, like if you divide your pound, which is 16 ounces, into 8 parts, each part is of 2 ounces. And if you choose 5 parts, that is 5 times 2, 10. 10 ounces. And of course, the first puppy weighs more. Okay. A baby weighs 8 pounds, 10 ounces if her weight double in 6 months. Okay. So will she weighs more or less than 17 pounds? 8 times 2, 16, 10 times 2, 20. From this 20, we can take out 1 pound, which is 16, and 4 will left. So we'll add it here, 17 pounds and 4 ounces. Yes, it's more than 17 pounds. I hope you guys understand the lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, Learn Math with Mr. Saad. and also send me the homeworks through Pioneer.